Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to verify the properties of regular polygon. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what actually we are going to prepare. We are going to prepare the properties of regular polygon. You can show the regular polygon separately also, equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular octagon, and so on. But here we are going to use a slider. By just moving this slider, I will get the different regular polygons. First, I will draw only a regular polygon of side 3. Then I will show its properties. I will show its center and I will show the internal angles. Then what I will do is I will show in the form of a table, I will show the children that what is the name of that polygon when the number of sides is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and what will be the equal measure of the interior angle in each case, and what is the sum of the interior angle in each case. Then I will ask the children to come and move this. When they come and move this, when they move it and then put it at 4, it will become a square, and at 5 it will be a regular pentagon, and they can check it from the table that what actually I mean by that name, and then interior angle, what is the sum of the interior angle, and so on, equal measure and so on. They will be able to locate. Then after that I will tell them that what is the meaning of the center. From the center the vertices are equidistant. That also they can verify it by simply seeing everywhere it is 13.13 and 11.87 and so on. Okay, now so that by single worksheet is there, with that I can make the children to come and verify the properties of the regular polygon starting from side 3 to 10. It can be extended also. You can have any number of sides. Simply you have to have that slider only. Okay, let us try to make this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. I have taken geometry view. In the option I have taken rounding off to 1 decimal place. Labeling I have taken new points only. Now regular polygon can be taught like this also. Go for this polygon, a regular polygon, simply touch it and then give its length of one of its side. It will ask how many vertices you want. 3 if you have, you will get a equilateral triangle. Suppose if I go again touch it and then if I type 4, it will give you a square. Again if I touch it and then again I type 5, it will give you a regular pentagon. If I touch it and then touch it, if I type 6, it will give me a regular hexagon, and so on. Is it okay? Like that also you can give them separately. That is, each and every regular polygon can be shown to the children from the regular polygon by entering the number of sides also. But now we are going to do it in a different fashion. That is, we are going to get all these regular polygons making use of a slider. Let us start. ABC. I will type properties of regular polygons. Okay, good. Now I am going to have a slider for it. From this ABC I will take a slider. Slider, you know that it should be an integer. It should starts with 3, starts with equilateral triangle. Let me have only up to 10 because it will go maybe outside the sheet. Well, let us just show up to 10. You can show it up to 100 or up to 1000 also. It is left to you. Increment I am keeping it as 1. Now this can be n, or it can be a, or it can be side, whatever maybe you want. I will put okay. I will put it over here. Let me check the slider whether it works. Yes, it works. It goes from n to 10. Well, now let me go for starting. I will go for a segment with the given length. I am going for regular polygon. I am going for regular polygon. I'll just type it, put it, and then I have to tell the side of it. I will not take a very lengthy one. Let me take a very small one like this. It will ask me the number of vertices. Don't type 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. We want it to be a variable. Therefore, type n. Is it okay? We have to type the variable which is in the slider. If the slider you have fixed it as a, type a here. In the slider, if you have typed it as SIDE, here also you type that. Okay, I am clicking OK. Okay, now I will keep this A here, I will keep this B here. Now, when I move this, you see, check whether it works. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's going outside. Okay, you can bring it down also a little bit and you can show it also. Okay, well, let us see. We can reduce the size of AB also, whatever maybe. Okay, now what we will do is we will try to get the properties of this equilateral triangle, then we will expand it to properties of square, regular pentagon and so on. First we will start with the property of angles. Its angle is 60 degrees. Good, you know that all the angles are 60 degrees. Well, now we know that there is a center for every regular polygon. We will try to get the center of this equilateral triangle. For that you can go for any center. I think it may be a centroid, it may be a circumcenter, or it may be incenter, or it may be a centroid. Okay, now let me go for this perpendicular bisectors for this line, and for this line I will take and I will go for its point of intersection. These 2 points meet at the center. These 2 lines meet at L. Okay, this job of this particular line is over. Therefore, let me show object. You know how to hide it. Show object. I have hidden. Okay, now I will go for the circumcircle now. Circle with center through the point. Therefore, this is the center. This is the radius. Again, this is the center. This is the radius. Good. You got both the in center and the circumcenter. That is the circumcircle and the in circle. You got it now. I think this can be shown. Okay. Now you see when I put it 4. Oh, it's coming 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For everywhere it is coming now. Okay, good. Okay, now I'll just put it down. Let me just try to tell the children that is whenever just they are doing it, it is showing actually the angles inside, and some of the angles also the children may be interested to know. Now this can be put in 2 ways in GeoGebra. One is actually you can go for this spreadsheet. Using this spreadsheet, I think all of you know, same type of spreadsheet. Here you can type it and you can just tell side by side that this is the thing, therefore you can do it. But actually if you want to make it little bit attractive, what you can do is type these things in a PPT, in a slide, convert that slide into a JPG image. I have done it actually. I am going for this image. In that I am having this regular polygon JPG. I am clicking it and it will come over here. Okay, it has just come over here. But now you can paste it over here. Now what you have to do is come out. You are seeing this M and N. You touch it and then you can reduce the size of it also, and then bring it and put it over on the right side. Now a child can see it. Actually this can be moved or it can be made into a bigger one or a smaller one as per your convenience. Now by seeing this table, a child can understand that when n is equal to 3, what is the name? N is equal to 4, what is the name? And what is the equal measure of the interior angle? And what is the sum of the interior angle? He can understand. Therefore now what you can do is, now you can ask him, okay, come out. You just make it as n is equal to 4, check it. N is equal to 5, check it. N is equal to 6, check it. N is equal to 7, 8, 9 and 10, you can check it. Is it okay? Okay. Now it is okay. It is going out. Well, now if you want to make it a very smaller one, what you can do is, you can reduce the size of it. You see, you can reduce the size so that all of them will come automatically. Okay, now another interesting thing about this regular polygon is about exterior angle. Now I'm leaving it to you. You can tell it to the children also. Another very interesting thing is, suppose if you take this segment of this K and C when you join, this K and A you join, this K and B you join. Actually, you can ask the children that what you can talk about this AK, BK and CK. Now, suppose if you want to tell that, sir, it is the center, what you can do is you can rename it and you can give a name capital O to it also to tell that it is always the center. Okay, well, now the distance is same. You see, we'll just right click it, go to the object property. You know it how to do it. Object property, you have to go, then in show label, and then show its value. Good. This you go, and then object property, show label, and then value. Good. This you click it and show label, and then show its value. Okay, okay, well, now like this in every this one, for example, if you go to the number 10, that is decagon. Okay, I will make it very small now, so that decagon will be clear to you. Okay, now the decagon is clear to you now. Now what you can do is, once again, it is very simple. Go to this segment, and then you have to join this, and you have to join this. You should have a kind of patience. Only one time you have to do, or you can ask the children to come and check it out. That is, whenever I'm just joining it, it looks like a wheel and spokes and all. Okay, highly interesting. Okay, now you can just ask them 777. Okay, just sorry, ask them to just select it. I think I have to do escape. Okay, I'm just doing escape. You select it, select this one, and then right click it, go to object property, and then show the value. Okay, now it is also showing 7. Like that everywhere. I think you should have a kind of patience with the children. Ask them to just do it. We have already done it for some of them. So value. Okay, again click it, then show label, and then value. I will do it, no issue. Again click it, then show label, and then value. I think how many of them are left out? I think only 2 are left out. Good. Show label and then value. Then I think I will go for it. Then show label and then value. Good. Then all of them are coming as 777 only. This advantage is, suppose if I go to 9, it's showing, you see. Just go, I'm going there. I'm going now. I'm going everywhere. It's showing. Okay. Now you can declare that that is the center, O is the center, and all the vertices are. Like this, you see, with using a single worksheet, we have just drawn a regular polygon using a slider. By removing that slider, they are getting different regular polygons, and at every stage a child can measure then what is actually the equal measure of the interior angle and sum of the interior angle. Now you can tell them about the exterior angle also, suppose if you want. Therefore, the other properties of a regular polygon also can be visualized. Another very interesting thing about this slider is, in the slider you right click it and then click animation on. Now you see automatically it goes from 3 to 10, and it will go from 10 to 3 till you stop it. Okay, there is a kind of play. You can just tell the children that you see how it actually expands, how the regular polygons you are getting it. So at every stage, ask the children to note down its properties and then verify it so that they can learn better. Now to stop it, again right click and then this animation on is to be stopped. Okay, well, thank you. Let us learn to lead.